Hello everyone, Ismail is here. Today we're going to learn about 15.2 isosceles and equilateral triangle. Okay, so you can find all the lessons using my website alfaramath.com. Here you have a warm-up question. You try to solve this one, but if you need help, let me explain to you what we learned in 15.1 about the remote interior angle. If you remember from 15.1, from 15.1 we have something we call remote interior, remote interior angle. From its name, remote interior angle means we're talking about the remote one. So let's say, let me draw for you here a triangle. So let's say we have this triangle here, okay? Now, using this triangle, we have, let's say we have the side, this is side A, this is side B, this is side C, okay? Now, let me complete this one with, let me make some line, okay, from this one, and line from this one here, and line from here, and a straight line from this one. Now, check this out. We have here three interior angles. So the first one is A, the second one is angle B, the third one is angle C. Now, the remote interior angle, it can be calculated using one exterior angle, one or two exterior angle. Means, now if I ask you which one of these is exterior angle, so the exterior angle is this one here. So this one is exterior angle. So let's say we call this one D, okay? And also we have another exterior angle on the other side here. So let's say this one is exterior angle E. Now, how can I use the remote interior angle? So the remote interior angle is, it should be like this. Just remember like summation of two opposite interior angles, okay? Summation of two opposite interior angle will give you, okay, one the measurement, okay, measurement of exterior, okay, exterior angle. What's that mean? Now, just try to process what I said here. Summation of two opposite interior angle. First, let's talk about angle D here. So let's talk about angle D. Now, angle D, which two angles are opposite to angle D? So the angle that opposite to angle D is angle A and angle C. So now the measurement is saying the summation of two opposite interior angle is equal to the measurement of exterior. So let's say if A equal 50 and E equal 70, so now for sure angle D should equal what? 50 plus 70, because as I said here, the summation of opposite interior angle is equal to D. So now 50 plus 70, which is equal 120. So D is equal 120. So this is the remote interior angle. So now if I ask you about angle E, okay, angle E here, so which two angles are opposite to angle E? So angle A is opposite and angle B also is opposite to angle E. So now to find angle E, it's angle A plus angle B. So angle A is 50, angle B I need to know it. So let's say angle B is just an example. So let's say it's 60. So now angle E should be 50 plus 60, 110. Okay, I hope you understand this. Now you can use this, what I told you, to try to solve this from abacus. Now let's go through now our lesson, isosceles and equilateral triangle. So the first thing here, let's investigate some properties about the isosceles triangle. So the first thing that we need to know, an isosceles triangle, okay, is a triangle with at least two congruent sides. So as you can see, this sign here, this small dash represent telling you that this side here, AB and AC are congruent. The third side here, which is BC, it's fine if it's not congruent, okay? So this one here, it's not congruent to AC and AB. Then we have the legs. So now the congruent side are called legs. So now AB and AC, as you can see, so those are what? the legs. Okay, then we have here the angle formed by the legs is called vertex angle. So now where is the vertex angle? Always the vertex angle is the angle that related to the two legs. So this one here is the vertex angle. Then we have the side opposite the vertex angle is called base. So now which side? I'm talking about the side. So this one is the side. So side BC is opposite to the vertex angle. Okay, why we need to find the opposite side? Because of the last one here. The angle that have the base as a side are the base angle, and the base angle always they are equal. So let's say angle B, angle C, they are equal. So now if angle B and angle C, they are equal. So let's say if B is 50, so B should be C be 50, B 5x plus 2, C should be 5x plus 2. Okay, so they are equal. Okay, now to find let's say to find all the interior angle means if I need to find this one here plus this one here and plus this one here, so the summation of the interior angle should be equal 180. So angle 1 plus angle B plus angle C should equal 180. So now check what are the values for these, then you add them, you get the measurements. Okay, here an exercise, we need a geometry set, but we will do it later. Now let's go here to the example 1. Okay, so the example 1 here, it's saying prove the isosceles triangle theorem and its converse. So as you can see here, or let's say, let's move and go back to this one later, because proving it's not necessary in the exam that I'm going to give you. Okay, so it's not necessary. Let's go back to this one later, same thing here, and let's go here now to the equilateral triangle. Okay, now how about the equilateral triangle? The equilateral triangle definitions: an equilateral, if you have a triangle with all sides should be equal together. So as you can see here, side AB is equal to the side BC, also is equal to the side AC. So all of these sides are equal. So if this one's 5, this one should be 5, this one should be 5. Same thing for the angle. We call this one equiangular. So the angle E is equal to angle D is equal to angle F. So this one 60, this one should be 60, this one should be also 60. Now the converse of the equilateral triangle, how we know this one is equilateral triangle from the converse? So we can know from the angle here. If the triangle has 3 sides equal, then for sure the angle inside also should be equal. Or if the triangle given all the 3 angles are equal, for sure all the 3 sides also will be equal. So this is the converse of the proving equilateral triangle. Now let's start with the examples here. So find indicated measures. Now as you can see, we have the question always will mention, we have 2 ways to mention the type of a triangle. Okay, the first one using small dash. Okay, small dash, which is if you have a triangle and if this dash here and this dash here, so that's mean this side here and this side here are equal. Or question mention. Okay, or the question will mention this is let's say this triangle is equilateral or this triangle is isosceles. So we have 2 ways that the question mention the type of a triangle. Now let's start now with the question A. So question A, what is the length of each side of the triangle? And it's saying here it's equilateral triangle. So he mentioned that this triangle is equilateral, and we know that. Let's memorize what we learned about equilateral. Equilateral, that this side here should equal to this side here. Okay, should also equal to this side here. And because if you remember the converse, if all the sides are equal, for sure the angle also are equal. So now to find x, okay, I know that side AC, so the side AC should equal to the side BC. So now AC is 6x minus 5 equal to BC 4x plus 7, right? Now, how can I solve this? So now always isolate x, take the small x to the bigger x. So 4, negative 4x, negative 4x. You cancel the x's. Now 6x minus 4x is 2x minus 5 equals 7. Then now we have to add 5, so plus 5 for both sides. So now let me complete here. So 2x equals 7 plus 5 is 12. Then now you divide by 2, so x is equal 6. After I found x, did I stop here? No, I have to replace now x in my question because I need to find the side. So 6 times 6 minus 5. So 6 times 6 equal 36 minus 5, 31. Here, same thing, 4 times 6 plus 7. So 4 times 6, 24. 24 plus 7, 31. So this one 31, this one 31. For sure, this one should be 31 because equilateral. Now, let's have a look on question B. So the question B is saying find the measurement of angle T. So he needs me to find this. But he didn't mention in the question, this is what type of a triangle is this? Is it equilateral? Is it isosceles? So look now to the dash. That's what I explained here. The question will give you maybe dash or mention. Okay, so he didn't mention, so he should give you some dash. And as you can see, he gave me dash here and dash here. So that's mean this side here is equal to this side here. And what type of a triangle that two sides are equal? It's isosceles. Okay, it's isosceles triangle. So one of the isosceles triangle, we know them, that two legs should be equal. Okay, so now where is the vertex? The vertex is T. So we need to find T. Now the other angle, which is the angle that touch the base, because you know that the base is opposite to the vertex. So angle X, angle S, and angle R, they are equal. So if R X, so S should be also X. So now let's find X. How can I find X? We know that the summation of all interior angle T plus angle R plus angle S is equal what? 180 from what I told you before. So now we use this rule to find X. Okay, so now let's write it here. Angle R plus angle S plus angle T, okay, is equal 180. So angle R is X, angle S also is X, plus angle T is 3X, is equal 180. Now let's add the like term. As you can see, x plus 3x, so all of them are like terms, so it's equal 5x equal 180. So now if we divide by 5, then we divide by 5, so the answer 36. So x is equal 36. Now after I found 36, so that's mean this angle here is equal 36. This angle here is equal 36. Now this angle here is 3 times 36, which is equal 108. I hope you understand this. Now let's take here, it's your turn. Try to solve this equation by yourself. If you need any help, ask me, okay? But because I saw some students don't know how to solve question number 6, so let me help you in question number 6. So question number 6, it's saying what is the length of each side of the triangle, and it's mentioned it's equilateral triangle. Now as you can see, equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. This one is equal to this one, is equal also to this one. So for sure, if this side is equal to this one, so now let's find them. So AB is equal to AC. Now AB is 3/10y plus 9 equal 4/5y minus 1. Okay, I will tell you something. In this equation, we have two ways to solve it, but I will just follow the way which is maybe makes sense for everyone, because maybe some of you will ask me why we multiply this, why we divide this. So I will just follow the way that we learn. We need to isolate y and take the numbers to the other side. So now the first thing here, I have 3/10y, and I have here 4/5. Now which one is the smaller? The smaller is 3/10. So negative 3/10y minus 3 over 10y. So these cancel, so it's remain 9 equal. So now 4 over, let me do it here, 4 over 5 minus, sorry, okay, let me erase it. Now we need to minus this 2 together. 4 over 5y minus 3 over 10. Let me do it here. 4 over 5y minus 3 over 10y. How can I minus this? If you have a calculator, just do it in the calculator. If you don't have, now we need to make same denominator so we can minus them. So as you can see, this one is 10. So how can I make this one is 10? So I have to multiply this one with 2, and I have to multiply this one with 2. So for sure, when I multiply the denominator with any number, so I have to multiply same number with the numerator. So that's why when I multiply this one with 2, so 4 times 2. So 2 times 4 is equal 8y, sorry, 8. 2 times 5 is equal 10. Y minus 3 over 10y. Now let's do they have same denominator? Yes. Now let's minus them. So 8 minus 3 is equal 5 over 10y. 5 over 10y. So this one 5 divided by 10 is equal 1 over 2y. So the answer is 1 over 2y. So after you minus them, 1 over 2y minus 1. Now I need to isolate this one, so I have to do what? Plus 1 for both sides, so you cancel these out. Okay, let's go down. So 1 over 2y is equal 10. Now, do you remember how we can solve this one? It's up to you. You can divide both sides by half to cancel this half, so you get y is equal 20. Or you can do another way. Let me do it here. Or let's say the question is like this. Or to remove the denominator, multiply both sides by 2. This one times 2 and this side times 2. So you can cancel this 2 with this 2. Now it's equal y times 2, which is equal 20. So you have two ways to solve this question. So now after we found y, we need to replace y in the question. So to replace y in the question, you replace it in anywhere because it's I equilateral. Okay? Let's do it here. 4 over 5 times y, which is equal to 20, minus 1. So 4 times 20, you multiply this one only, divide by 5. So 4 times 20 equal 80. 80 over 5, minus 1. So now 80 over 5, okay, divide them. You will, after 80 over 5, 80 divided by 5 is equal 16. Minus 1, so the answer is equal 50. So if this side here is equal 15, so for sure this side should be 15, this side sure will be 50. I hope you understand this question. If you have anything, please contact me. And if you need any help or another way of solving this question, ask me. And thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.